Hi, my name is Michael Hollins. I'm the attorney here at Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office, where we practice bankruptcy law in the state of Michigan and Tennessee, and we do it well. Today, I would like to address the question that I get often in my inbox as well as in phone consultation. What's the difference between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13, and how do I know which one is right for me? Well, to simply high-level overview, Chapter 7 is the bankruptcy code that allows you to discharge or get rid of, so you don't have to pay back, your unsecured debt. We are talking credit cards, loans, old apartment bills, medical debt, old taxes in some cases. These are all unsecured debts. Maybe you have old parking tickets. These are things that can be discharged in a Chapter 7. Now, Chapter 7 you have to income qualify for, and that income qualification, that figure is based on how many people live in your household and, of course, what your annual income is. But if you income qualify for it, Chapter 7 gives you that fresh start that you always hear me talk about, which, again, takes 90 days in the process. You'll get a discharge in the mail of all the debt that can be discharged for you, and you get to move forward with your life. Now, Chapter 13 is a consolidation of debt. It is a wonderful tool, financial tool, if you have a home or a vehicle that you'd like to keep, but you're behind. So if you're behind on your home, foreclosures being threatened or car, repossessions being threatened, Chapter 7 makes that creditor stop the state court action, stop the replevin, stop the repossession, stop the foreclosure, and they have to come to federal court and work with you regarding a plan to get you caught up. So a lot of Chapter 13 filers, they've tried to contact their mortgager. They want to refinance their home. The mortgager is simply not responding or saying that they're not credit worthy to refinance and take the equity out of their home to pay their bills. Chapter 13 makes them do that in a sense, makes them subscribe a plan that gets you caught up, and they cannot repossess, they cannot foreclose if you're in a Chapter 13 plan and you're making your payments. So that's ultimately the difference between 7 and 13. 13 is where home and car is at stake. Chapter 7, when you income qualify, just gives you a fresh start. Now, another way that Chapter 13 can be used is if you filed a Chapter 7 bankruptcy already within the last 8 years, but you find yourself in a position where bankruptcy would be a solution again. You can file another bankruptcy. It just has to be Chapter 13. And you can consolidate your debt and get that same bankruptcy protection that you received in your Chapter 7. Consolidating your debt and moving forward with a payment that's comfortable for you stops the lawsuits, stops the repossession, and sometimes if your wages are being garnished, but you file Chapter 7 within 8 years, you can still file a Chapter 13 to stop the garnishment if it's been 4 years since that filing. And Chapter 13 is amazing for doing that as well. Well, I hope this was useful. I ask that you share this video. Somebody may need this information. Like the video, subscribe to this channel. Again, I'm attorney Michael Hollins with the Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. Got to get out walking. Got to get the heart rate up. That's what I'm doing. You all have a great day, and as always, please be safe.